I think she's still there, so if she's there tomorrow night, I can probably spend the night.
Gosh. I feel like some of the dudes I saw on the rave tonight, you know, they have platforms and the fishnets. Any music? Do this.
Music?
Anybody got it?
Dirty whore music.
Oh, I have some of that.
I have some.
But I want to record this.
Innocent type of music.
Hot.
Thank you.
Yes.
I'll play the dirty horror music afterwards.
No. So we were making fun of.
All of my fruits
What was, it was like this whore
Misty
Misty.
girl.
There's
Yeah.
like this Misty girl at Phoenix Comic Con.
At Phoenix Comic Con.
At the Poster Rave.
And there's like a bunch of guys. Alright, there's like a bunch of guys in a circle, right? And she's the only one that's like, she's the only girl dancing, and she knows she has attention on her. And she starts like making these like sex faces while she's dancing, and getting really provocative, right? But like, she's like this big, like poor Misty, right? She starts dancing, she's like, and then she does this move. Like, what the fuck is that? Like, you arch her and her curve. She has like a curve in her back too, right? She does one of these. And then she like turns around just going like that. Like she's like machine gun spraying milk at her. Like, what the? There we go. Gracias. Okay. It was terrible, dude.
It was just so nasty. Like her facial expressions were just like.
Yeah, she was.
I'm so glad I got that. Oh my god. Oh my god.
That's like my prison nightmare right there.
Dude, okay. Oh god.
I wish we had a guitar.